Hello guys, it's Jacob here again. Today is Wednesday, 17th of June, and today in the evening we have one of the most important economic news, which is federal funds rate, followed by FOMC statement and FOMC press conference. All is going to happen around 8 p.m. European time zone. So definitely you need to be careful around this time. As you can see, we had also CPI in the morning, 8 a.m. for GBP currency. Let's take a look at liquidations. Liquidations 300 million. Open interest is decreasing by 2.5%. We can see not even slightly, we can see a drop in volume across the whole scene, except for Hype and except for SpaceX. Yeah, most of the cryptocurrencies are getting hit. Let's take a look what we have here. So 24 hours liquidations, 300 million in total. Longs, 2/3 of the liquidations are coming from the long side, and less than 100 million of shorts. So shorts are printing definitely now. Okay, let's take a look at the chart. So last week, previous last week, we swept the low from the February. We saw local time on the small time frame change of market structure combined with the retest of the weekly point of control, and we saw quite impulsive move to the upside, followed by the Sunday pump before the open of the markets on Monday. But this candle was breaking bullishly into previous value of the range. We retested the POC of the range, so the highest volume as resistance. We hit this twice, first on Monday, second time on Tuesday, and now we see a quite heavy pullback. So first of all, we tried to went above this POC, we came back, retest, and we moved down. You can see the short moving averages, which are very directional, are pushing us down. We cannot even close for our candle above. We lost Monday POC. We are now getting acceptance in the Sunday volume profile, and this is very interesting because based on my statistics, we are usually the impulsive move like this is followed then by a drop to retest the Sunday POC, which is at 64,300 ish. So let's take a look at Coinbase. How does it look like? If it's the same, I would like to see if this is on the same level as Sunday. You see on Coinbase, it is totally. We have Tuesday here. Monday. 64,350. Yeah, so it's the same zone. So definitely I would like to see reaction over here. So my idea is as follows: like if we drop over here, I would like to see some reaction around 64,350. This is a zone, okay? So this is not exact number. We can even put this slightly higher entry, and from here we can at least target the POC again. But if this was really break inside the volume, which might be true because daily candles are closing inside, then it might be really nice area for a swing long, even up to 76k. So let's play level by level. Definitely we know where we should set our stop loss. This should be below this low. However, if we take this low out with the swing failure pattern, which is the price will go below and then will come back very fast, I will re-enter this position with a stop loss over here, and my entry will be on the once we come back in above this low. So we have 2 entry triggers, 2 entry plans. From my personal perspective, we should see an inflow of money after SpaceX IPO, so definitely I will try to position myself to the upside rather than to the downside. Yes, but always remember about 66,800. This is crucial point. If we cannot break above this and we will be rejecting from it, then this can be just bounce to come back again to the volume, and then we can continue lower. So I do believe strongly that we will go higher than this to maybe 76,000. Okay, so let me target 77K. This is the target for longs. Okay, for shorts now it's definitely too late to short, because as I said, this is very important level for me. If we see reaction, I will play longs. If I see a loss of this level, then I will be waiting for an entry trigger for shorts. But I will be lowering my risk over here. I will be happy to adjust, add more later when I see the change of market structure and the move will start to, the market will show its hand and it's going up. So definitely I will not bet my life on this level. This might work, but it doesn't have to work. This is just probability. So this is our first trade idea. This is our second trade idea. Atom, I'm still waiting for sub $1.9. Ethereum preferably retest of this trend line, but it's quite far for now. Yeah, but the daily moving average is over here, so it might be a really nice place for a long. So if I see nice reaction over here, then I would like to see on Ethereum at least $2,000 psychological level. So we have 4-to-1 risk to reward. NQ, yesterday they saw pullback from my level. Let me see. I personally tried shorting this, but because I saw nice reactions over here from 2.66, but then this took me out of the trade. Then I was not monitoring during the New York session and simply didn't take this trade. On gold I have a long position. Let's see if it will work out. I entered here, it's still running, so we will see if it will work out. 2-to-1 risk to reward. US oil, yeah, this was yesterday's trade, full take profit, and here this one I already entered. I'm already in this short with the stop loss and take profit as shown in the chart. WorldCoin, this one is unstoppable, it's like going higher. And you see we had this claim of the daily claim, retest and go. What else we have here? Yeah, from the coins I'm monitoring, that's all I'm watching at the moment. That's all. Yeah, I will be waiting for this trade. Let's see if it will work out. And as always, it's not financial advice, this is purely educational, so you can just learn. If you would like to follow this, you can do, but this is your decision. Thank you for tuning in. We'll welcome you in the next video tomorrow. Thank you.